Hello, friends. I'm reporting from the very heart of London. Big Ben is behind me. It is also the birthplace of modern homosexuality. We have it on good authority that the first person to ever publicly come out as gay was a British man named Joseph Dalton Hooker. He did so in 1872 in London, and to commemorate this historic event, we have erected a plaque on the wall of a building where he once lived. It is also the hottest topic of the day. As you probably know, Wimbledon Station has been packed today with people trying to get into the station, trying to get out of the station. But why? Well, it's because all the trains were canceled. No trains whatsoever were running in or out of Wimbledon Station today due to a massive signaling problem. Thousands of people had to be evacuated from the station. I was one of them. I had to walk over a mile in order to get to the nearest tube station. But it's not just me here at the hotspot. We have other reporters who are also trying to bring you the hottest topics of the day.